So how can you make a picture better quality on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so there are two parts to this. First, when we are capturing the photo, we want to make sure that the photo is in the best quality possible. And to ensure that, well, make sure to get enough lighting into the scene because without enough light, the photo is going to be very grainy and definitely not the best quality. So you can supplement for that with the flash, right? Or you can also enable the night mode if you get the option, right? And this will take the photo a little bit longer, but it will get as much light in as possible. However, if you already have the photo captured, you can check out the Photos application, click on the edit button like that, and you have the ability to perform some changes, right? So you can adjust multiple different sliders, and it depends on what is going on with the image. Perhaps it has some darker shadows, so you can bump those up, right? You can add some contrast or color, plenty of these like small adjustments will add up and can make the photo a lot better actually, right? So these are the things which I would most definitely do. But if you need it to be a little bit more advanced with all of that stuff, it's better to get a third-party photo editor. And by far the best one is the Adobe Lightroom, which lets you change so many things in here outside of just the basic adjustments, which allows you to like change the color sliders and like the hue saturation for all of these separate colors. And this will most definitely make the photo end up in a better quality, right? Generally looking better. So let me know if that's what you are looking after, if that's the thing that you were going for. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.